Hello guys, my name is Costin from X Photography, and I was looking a few days ago on Amazon for a microphone with good quality and low price. And I found this little guy, Takstar, and I will share with you my opinion on the few moments. This microphone is very light, very cheap, around $48 American on Amazon, and very good quality for this price. First of all, at this price, you have to look at this nice case and very well built. In the box, you can find the microphone, the battery, the windscreen, plus a nice bag. Takstar SGC698 is a microphone designed for outdoor photography and news interview. It has XY stereo sound pickup technology, back electric condenser microphone, adjustable sensitivity, RFI shielding technology, built-in low-cut filter switch, shockproof design, and all these together offer clear, stable, and low noise sound recording effect. They attach a 3.5mm universal connector, suited for most DSLR and mirrorless cameras. Like the future, I want to mention back electric condenser microphone with accurately capture sound localization for clear and stable recording effect. It has plus 20 decibels, 0 decibels, and minus 10 decibels sensitivity switch, support up to 15-meter pickup distance. Another feature is built-in low-cut filter switch, effectively reduce low noise frequency ambiental noise, and comes with windscreen. Also, RFI shielding technology greatly decreases the mobile phone signal interference. We don't have to forget the shockproof design can reduce the mechanical noise almost completely. Use standard 3.5 mini stereo connector that can use it for all the DSLRs and mirrorless cameras. Standard hot shoe mount for secure and easy installation. It is powered by CR2032 battery, can offer up to 50 hours running time with a low power warning indicator. Made of aluminum alloy, anode oxidation surface for anti-scratch and well-made look. This microphone is stereo with a frequency response between 30 Hz and 16 kHz, and it is very light with weight around 112 grams. I compared this microphone with Rode VideoMicro, $52 on Amazon, that doesn't have preamp on it, and you will see the difference on the next seconds. I compared this microphone with Rode VideoMicro, $52 on Amazon, that doesn't have preamp on it, and you will see the difference on the next seconds. Like you saw, the sound on both doesn't have a really big difference between them, but the Takstar has a plus sensitivity switch and low cut filter. I'm using both of them and I'm really surprised how good are, and to be honest with you, I will prefer the Takstar microphone because it has more settings to adjust and it is a little bit cheaper. I hope that you enjoy my video and leave me below your opinion about this microphone. Don't forget to hit that like button and press on the subscribe. See you next time and be safe.